right, and Stas, as you're watching Immaculate and hopefully enjoying that one, let's get into some flawless here. Oh my goodness. I've got tall order. I've got to do better than that Immaculate Barry Sanders. That was one ridiculous card. Let's see what happens here. All right. All right, we'll save the insides. I'm not going to peek here. Come on. Well, that's a really nice top card, and I think you're going to love it. That is super nice. Okay. Well, first up, numbered to 10, first round gems autograph, Terry Bradshaw. Stas. What a beaut. Next, dang, 1 of 5, Curtis Martin auto. Okay. Next, 25 of 25, Curtis Samuel flawless signatures, rookie flawless signatures. 25 of 25. Next, 5 of 10, Mike Williams and Melvin Gordon, dual patch. Next, rookie jumbo patch to 25, Kareem Hunt, 3 colors. Next, 1 of 1, Andre Reed patch auto, boom. 1 of 1 Andre Reed. Oh my goodness, Stas, you are crushing it. Because I saw the next one a little bit. Boom. Look at this. 2 of 5. It's glove and auto. We got the whole Eagles head. Mac Hollins, rookie glove auto. Oh. 1 of 1 Andre Reed with a Mac Eagle head. What? All right, here we go. Well, this is a good one to pull. 4 of 15, number to his jersey number, Derek Carr, Ruby. Derek Carr, Ruby. Next, 4 of 4, DeMarco Murray, Black Diamond. And, 4 of 5, Alvin Kamara, rookie autograph, Emerald. Boom. Stas, you just destroyed those 2 boxes. There you have it, brother.